In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the Premium Services bundle in TurboTax. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, sign into TurboTax and then go to Tax Home over here on the left, scroll down where you see Finish and File, and this is the last step you should do. So make sure all information above here is put in correctly and you actually have done the review and everything is fine. And then you want to go to Finish and File and press Continue over here. And on here on the left, you're going to see a bunch of different options. There we go. You want to click on File yet again, and this is what's going to show up. So those 3 steps. What you want to do is basically revisit step 1. So in case you've been here already, click Revisit, or if you haven't been here yet, you want to click on Start. After you do this, what you want to do is look for Premium Services Benefits section and then select Remove. So over here, they should be somewhere around here. So they should be either inside the order summary, extend this, and you should see Premium Services Benefits or Premium Services Bundle. And what you actually should do is look for it and then select Remove next to it. Now, after you click Remove and Pay with Card, and then you want to select View Payment Options. And after that, you're going to have to select your payment option, and then you'll be able to pay now. Now, in case you don't see this screen and you've already paid, unfortunately you won't be able to do this. Only if you haven't paid yet, you will be able to basically do this and remove those premium services from your order. So that's pretty much that. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.